In this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve for the month of July, and also we are going to dive deep with the latest Bitcoin price action in the short term, especially now we are seeing this bearish divergence. So we'll give you an update with that movement. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So I guess welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below so you won't miss out our next videos. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and siguro dive in na muna tayo sa logarithmic growth curve before we dive in dun sa bearish divergence in the daily time frame. So yeah, dito sa Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, for the past few years, we have been following this indicator, and para sa mga hindi nakaalam, this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve is a very good indicator in determining on where are we in a Bitcoin market cycle. So as you can see, in the historical movement, you can also notice that we are seeing a lot of cycles with the Bitcoin price action, wherein we are starting from the lower regression band to the upper regression band. So that is one cycle. And then once we went to the bottom, that's going to be another Bitcoin market cycle. So from the lower regression band to the upper regression band. So that is another cycle. And here we also have another cycle from the lower regression band to the upper regression band, another cycle. Then we saw another one to another cycle. And right now, where are we with the Bitcoin price action? So as you can see, we are still at the lowest point pa din for this current market cycle. And I've been telling you na this, for the past few months already na we have been telling you that we are already in the lowest points of the market cycle. As you can see, if you're going to follow this lower regression band, you can see that Bitcoin is roughly playing just around the support area, which is the lower regression band. And as you can see, we are just playing around that area. And in fact, this is actually a normal move, because if you're going to look back in time, Bitcoin usually plays a lot of consolidation in those lower regression band for a lot of time. We have seen that playing out in 2016 to 2017. We saw that playing out in 2012 to 2013. And then we also saw that movement playing out from 2019 to 2020. Yeah, roughly around those area. You can see we have been just consolidating and moving sideways here. But right now, Bitcoin is also at that similar lower regression band, wherein we are seeing a lot of consolidation dito. Take note, this consolidation is a sideways action, but you must also take note that it's an incremental move. So from day by day, it's going to increase by another few thousands, but it's not going to be a significant increase such as what we've seen in the previous bull market. So this is just it's like an incremental consolidation. So like it's moving sideways, but it's increasing a little bit. So I know it's increasing a little bit. So that is what we are going to expect within the next few days, and it's expected that we might hit the 39,000 or 38,000 US dollars within the next few months, maybe around December 2023, if we are just going to continue this trend. But yeah, following this chart alone, it's actually telling us that we are following this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and yeah, we still have a lot to gain. So this is still indicating that it's still one of the best time pa din to invest for the long term. So if let's say you still don't have any Bitcoin for the long term, then it is still one of the best time pa din. So yeah, make sure to follow this chart, and yeah, let's give you an update on this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve in our next few videos. But yeah, for now, that is what we are currently seeing for the longer time frame, and it's actually still a good investment for the long term, and we are at the earliest point of a market cycle. Now, let's now dive into with the Bitcoin price action. Let's give you a price action for the latest movements. And diba, for the past few days, what we have been monitoring is this bearish divergence, and we have started somehow to go down here with the bearish divergence. And you can see some bullish retracements, a very small bullish retracements. Kasi diba, traditionally, bearish divergence are a bearish price action or bearish signals that is going to tell us that we are going to see Bitcoin to go down. And yeah, right now we are still seeing this bearish divergence here with the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, we might see time to time nitong somewhat na magkakaroon ng pump, na bullish retracement, then dump, retrace, dump, retrace, dump. So that is more likely how we are going to see this. And yeah, right now we are seeing that similar bullish retracement for the very short term. But one thing to take note is there is also bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. You can see na, the price is increasing while RSI is also declining, so that is also a bearish divergence. So we have bearish divergences both in the 4-hour time frame as well as in the daily time frame. So this could be a minor bullish retracement lang for the short term na akit na onte, but our expectation is we are bearish bias for the next few days here with the Bitcoin price action following this latest movement. And yeah, take note, if you want to take advantage of this next trade, make sure to open an account with BYBIT kasi kay BYBIT mas mura natin Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, make sure to use our sign up link you can find available in the description down below if you want to learn. If you want to check out how to open a trade, we also have a tutorial video as available. How to sign up, it's also available. So make sure to check out our tutorial playlist available in the description down below. But yeah, I guess that's all we can update for now. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.